Hey friends, I'm going to do a review on this Gatorade Orange. My dad bought it for me, so do a review for my daddy. Oh yeah, it's so good. I love it. Orange and fruit punch are my flavors. Oh yeah. It's so good. So I'll be drinking this whole thing. And then Dad got me a little floss pick because he's flossing his teeth. He's in the next room. We're both sick as a dog. We both have bronchitis. I'm going to do my teeth. And then I have a little cough drop. A little video for my dad. A little cough drop. Okay. But you haven't seen this combo, a review plus a teeth picking. It has a nice minty taste. Clean my teeth there. I'm prepared to go 2 or 3 hours premiering. I got a lot of material today now. We're going to go head to head. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be absolutely amazing. Okay, I'll give it a little rinse. Fantastic. Fantastic. Where's my teeth? I'll brush them later again. Just want to get this hydration in. Review plus tooth, and then I'm going to do the cough drop. Cherry menthol. Right on with the cough drop. Good. I'm always saying this. This is a life, friends. This is a life. Getting better. Getting well. Getting strong. Well and strong. I pray on my cough drop again. Oh, do you know my tongue can curl?